Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best dash cams of 2025 that every driver in the USA needs to know about. Whether you're after crystal clear 4K video, advanced parking protection, or seamless cloud connectivity, these top models deliver unmatched performance and peace of mind on the road. If you want to upgrade your car's security and never miss a detail, stick around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite dash cam. Let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have Blackview DR970X2 CHLTE. Looking for the ultimate dash cam for 24/7 car protection? The Blackview DR970X2 CHLTE NA 64GB delivers crystal clear 4K UHD front and full HD rear recording using advanced Sony STAR-VIS sensors, capturing every detail day or night. With built-in LTE, Wi-Fi, and GPS, plus a nano SIM card included, you get seamless Blackview cloud connectivity to monitor your vehicle from anywhere in real time. The wide-angle lenses, native parking mode with battery protection, and even a mobile hotspot function make this dual-channel dash cam a powerful tool for daily drivers and road warriors alike. While the price is premium and LTE features require a data plan, the peace of mind and professional-grade footage are worth it, especially if you want full control of your vehicle's safety, even when you're away. Moving on, at number 4, we have THI-NK WAREU 1000 Dual Dash Cam. The ThinkWare U1000 4K Dash Cam is a premium dashboard camera that delivers ultra-clear 4K UHD footage at 30 fps or 2K QHD at 60 fps, capturing every detail with its 150 degrees wide-angle Sony sensor, perfect for both daytime and low-light driving. Designed for modern drivers, it features ThinkWare Cloud 2.0 with remote live view, impact notifications, GPS tracking, and geofencing with hotspot connection, plus built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, a G-sensor, and advanced parking mode to monitor your vehicle around the clock. Its anti-file corruption technology ensures your critical footage stays safe, making it a smart, secure choice. While it comes at a higher price and needs a hotspot for full cloud features, the performance and protection it offers make it worth every penny for anyone serious about road safety. At number 3, we have Blackview DR900X2CH. The Blackview DR900X2CH Plus is a premium dual-channel dash cam that delivers stunning 4K UHD front and 1080p rear recording with a wide 162 degrees field of view, perfect for capturing every detail on the road. Designed for serious drivers, it features built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and native parking mode with a voltage monitor to protect your car even when parked. You can expand its capabilities with the optional CM100 LTE module for full cloud connectivity, enabling remote live view, impact notifications, and GPS tracking. Compact, hardwire-ready, and bundled with a 32 GB micro SD card, this dash cam offers unmatched clarity and security. While the LTE module is sold separately and it's priced on the higher side, the performance, reliability, and peace of mind make it a top choice for drivers in the USA. At number 2, we have Nextbase 622GB Dash Cam Full 4K. The Nextbase 622GB Dash Cam is a feature-packed 4K UHD camera that delivers ultra-clear footage at 30 fps with options for 1440p at 60 fps or 1080p at 120 fps for smooth slow-motion playback, perfect for capturing every crucial detail. With a 140 degrees front field of view, image stabilization, and enhanced night vision plus extreme weather mode, it excels in any driving condition. Built-in GPS, Bluetooth, dual-band Wi-Fi, and What3Words location tracking provide next-level safety and convenience, while Alexa integration lets you control music, navigation, and smart devices hands-free. Though the rear camera is sold separately and the price is premium, the performance, safety features, and smart connectivity make the 622GB one of the best dash cams for USA drivers who demand top-tier protection and clarity on the road. And finally, at number 1, Viofo A329 4K 60 fps dash cam. If you're looking for cutting-edge dashcam tech, the Viofo A329 is a total game-changer, delivering industry-first 4K at 60 FPS front and 2K rear recording, powered by dual-star Vive IS2 sensors for ultra-clear footage day or night. With Wi-Fi 6 for blazing fast video transfers, support for up to 4 TB SSDs and 512 GB micro SD cards, and USB 3.0 connectivity, this dashcam sets a new standard for performance and convenience. You get crisp license plate capture even at high speeds, smooth HDR imaging, and smart parking modes for 24/7 protection. Installation is sleek and interference-free thanks to its slim coaxial cable design. While storage is sold separately and setup may feel premium, the clarity, speed, and reliability of the A329 make it an unbeatable choice for serious drivers in the USA.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.